Hello all, Rishi here. Welcome to the HTML tutorial series part 4. In this episode, we are going to see some more of the HTML tags that we have not seen in the previous tutorials. And if you have not seen any of my previous videos, I have linked the playlist in the description. You can either click on that or else you can click on the info tags that is appearing over the video. Now let's get started. The first tag that we are going to see is the header tag. The header tag is used to define the header portion of the website. Visually, we cannot see the header tag in the browser. You can also see the output on the right side of our slide, but it helps the screen reader app to treat the header section differently apart from the other sections. The next tag is the footer tag. The footer tag is used at the bottom of the HTML web page. This is always used for displaying your contact information or the about information. In this example, you can see that I have used the heading as contact us and the paragraph tag as my email ID. The next one is the nav tag, but along with that, we are going to see two more tags. One is list tag and another one is hyperlink tags. Usually nav tags are used inside the header tags as the navigation is always on the top. Nav tags help the browser to understand that it is the navigation links of the web page. Most of the websites will be displaying the navigation menus as the list. If you see here, we have used the tag called as OL. That is short for ordered list. In the output, you can see that the lists are numbered. This is called as ordered lists. In addition to that, we have to use the LI tag for each items in the list. If we use the UL tag instead of OL tag, the list will be unnumbered and we will be having bullets instead of numbers. The next one is the hyperlink tag. The hyperlink tag is used to create a hyperlink that can redirect the user to another web page. If you see the example here, the tag named A is called as hyperlink tag, and we are having href attribute in the tag. We have to mention the hyperlink that we are going to redirect the user to in the href attribute. The next tag we are going to see is the section tag. The section tag is a generic standalone tag that doesn't have a specific semantic like header or footer. It simply represents any section in the HTML document, and it is advisable to use the heading tag before any section tags. This is also regarding the support for screen reading purposes. If you see here, I have created an example where I have used all the tags that we have seen till now in this episode. I have declared the header and footer section and I have used the nav tag inside the header. And also I have used the unordered list for the navigation. Regarding the section tag, like I told you before, we have to have a heading tag before the section. Now in order to see how exactly the browser parses this HTML web page, we can use the developer tools. In order to open the developer tools, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. In this developer tools, go to the elements tab and here you can see all the tags that we have written in the HTML web page. Here we are having the header tag, heading tag and the nav tag, the list, the section and the footer. The developer tools are very much useful in the debugging purposes. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want content like this and share this video with your friends. Thank you.